Hi, this news. Nima Uya Kwaba. Latest and hot news. Aremeyaw Bremo. Now say when you subscribe to the channel that message say over subscribe. Na like video no na fi shema offer so na wenye na wo hwe. Afriyie hwe ensema beto ye pono so. Yes, a 20 bidi ensemi atuya wo the report that there IMF Ghana. You know the largest borrower just say na bobisia wo pa na Ursula Nónsense Bishop Jubilee Akufo Addo Bawumia government then one this is criminal. There's nothing to show for it. Obakaya Bawumia kaso one day nya de ombebro na Ghana has scan wa Ghana has ene dey no one abobisia ma chese sikani mina yo mu de one day sikana aye. Na aye secretary the IMF reporter ababetu ga wadani mina bi ewo aye Ghana bisia yabo na ye hu de yemfa sikani mina ye hu de this sikani mina aye wode sa report mina atuga. Now, I think tomorrow, yes, Yakuti, and some year, some 20 attitude, FIA, IMF, incense, and yes, I report.
I was some I buy way at the Sada Chichip, I buy the Sikaya Nade, within your Ochina, and I what did that Chichima, almost one mobile musica.
Hey, Alaska the Dawn, and same way we are bossy.
And you would not dona na opti at Kongwando Sono. With the Eddie or money gun and on fast with you now, what's a yenya?
Hey, Alaska the Dawn, and same way we are bossy.
And Aquala say you're from Kurano on your soon, or see my baba talk him.
Hey, Alaska the Dawn, and same way we are bossy.
Hey, filler number one. Right, and it's a me one filler, a dear, a kibatwa.
Alaska the Dawn. Oh, fearless, Papa.
Yenina name, sir. Political parties be about the major elections, sir. Ayanam Pempino, na ye bon toa. Obi biara betire ni obetumi aye. Na se political party our opposition na dream nyina to say reserve player.
Hey, Alaska the Dawn. And same way we are bossy.
Reserve player be our football team be an our dream bunny. So be na mambu. I know be on Kwasu Blanda. Yaba shit team na and the other baba.
Hey, Alaska the Dawn. And same way we are bossy.
So for the 7.5 years, MPPT Park and Chino, no more behave to say reserve players.
Hey, Alaska the Dawn. And same way we are bossy.
They always want to find fault. Now MPP Magana for who say, Abaina na or Tesu Satano, Abani Akoto Bonku. Abaino etumi abobusia chese ebi eniho.
Hey, Alaska the Dawn. And same way we are bossy.
Enu ti se womu aba enye de omo bebo busia de biada.
Hey, Alaska the Dawn. And same way we are bossy.
Ama Dr. Mamudu Bawumia kache Ghana for se waye dwuma awo eye waye dwuma awo the Bank of Ghana. Now Bank of Ghana na waye dwuma no enya dia yababo busia na sika no so ewo ho pa. And the World Bank I catch a Ghana ni wiase man nyina say awo wiase man nyina yade ye ho ade abadom IMF no o man ya otu wodi IMF kapa ay Ghana.
Hey, Alaska the Dawn. And same way we are bossy.
Now Asani say show we young boy and team Alpha and Kanti do. The question we are asking is elections 2024. The MPP campaign message ahead of the December push, the current state of Ghana. You got the MPP into a bomb. I want back at it and someone move back at it. Na yasha on my Ghana and penny or mukita. Dioma ya aninia etia. I was the idea of mine at Shawamunsa.
Hey, Alaska the Dawn. And same way we are bossy.
So first and foremost, Yanko IMF. Nientia Dioma Catchray. Documentary
Ghana is the world's largest borrower. What was the promise of the MPP?
You have to borrow responsibly.
He lied. Today, Ghana remains the world's largest borrower at the IMF. Nanado doesn't give a hoot.
Borrow money. Everybody borrows money.
They promise to borrow responsibly.
It only means that we are going to borrow responsibly and not recklessly.
I was join us live
about his excessive borrowing, but he didn't listen.
Who's that?
Kojo Kyeremanteng says so.
They were warned from 2019 all through to 2024. They kept borrowing.
You have to
Alaska
borrow
the Dawn.
responsibly.
And same way we are bossy.
Ghana's debt is projected to hit a staggering 99% of GDP by the end of 2023.
You have to borrow responsibly.
As the World Bank has cautioned Ghana against excessive borrowing amidst concerns,
it only means that we are going to borrow responsibly and not recklessly.
If we divide the national debt by the total number of Ghanaians, which is roughly give or take 30 million, in 2017, every Ghanaian owed 4,874 cedis. Fast forward to 2021, you owe 12,146, each and every one of you. When we look at 2024, when President Nana Akufo Addo will be leaving office, you will be owing all the international debtors 18,000 and 12 Ghanaian cedi.
You have to borrow responsibly and not recklessly.
Words may be forgotten, but broken promises are etched in our souls. Your words mean nothing, Bawumia, when your actions are complete opposite of what you did in office.
Alaska the Dawn, as same when we was Dawn, oh, fearless Papa.
Anna, MPP going into 2024 elections. Are they going to campaign on excessive borrowing?
Hey, Alaska the Dawn, as same when we was
If it's a country answer prior to 2016 elections. So we check Ghana car, yenina yedi. And that's all my Ghana car yedi. Ni a check the ma on my Ghana phone, you know, the 30 million na. Obia the car 4,500. And now, say you check on my Ghana car, you know, at the Maya. Ghana Nibia the car 20,000 Ghana.
Hey, Alaska the Dawn, as same when we was
in the year 2017 and 2016, MPP Katere and say, John Dramani Mahama at a mouse and a proquest Mr. Atta Ababushia Dodoma, Ghana Nibia the car 45 million old Ghana cedis. And it's a two about the man Ghana for and not two about the man to Bioma. Ghana Nibia Bedika Bayer Diawo, and that's yet nothing near her. Penyamo bought you up from the IMF now. Ghana at the catcher among Bia Uriasiha. If the Nina, I buy you say, yeah, they are Mobusia. Wababa Bobusia. As you Owusu catches as a Kabusia boa, and can you bar or your over class 3 and a class 4 and then the back to over 9 years. Ever to me, Bumai.
Hey, Alaska the Dawn, as same when we was.
The question we are asking is going into 2024 elections, can the MPP have the audacity to campaign with borrowing and now say Sika and I say Bushiabu and
hey, Alaska the Dawn, as same when we was
and then the IMF I catch a Ghana for say I see a check on my Ghana car yet among the population now Obia at the car 20,000 Ghana cedi. Count it to 200 million.
Hey, Alaska the Dawn, as same when we was.
No, yes, another in Trua, the MPP by say, woman normally free SHS ebaye.
Hey, Alaska the Dawn, as same when we was.
So we are going to also ask you today, sir, can the MPP have the audacity to campaign with free SHS? Yeni edibaya na.
Hey, Alaska the Dawn, as same when we was.
Never African Education Watch. And to me, at the report to be about for fire on the two supermami.
Hey, Alaska the Dawn, as same when we was.
And I catch as a free SHS in T. Obia Kosku, Awufubia Kosku free. What is a Kennedy Agyapong about Bakaso? Only driver was Shama. Niba any admission no. Otuya 100 million.
Hey, Alaska the Dawn, as same when we was.
It's the African Education Watch at the ambassador. More than 194,000 JHS graduates were unable to attend secondary school due to financial constraints in the last 4 years.
Hey, Alaska the Dawn, as same when we was.
I was for fly on the two alpha mammy. It's in na Sukua yes yako. And Walako school by 2 months. Ni about betinefie 3 months.
Hey, Alaska the Dawn, as same when we was.
I don't need the free SHS na ya promise you and now my assembly another 1 year maybe say the NPP na the free SHS ebaye Now the free SHS so I constitutional provision yeah draft to constitution 1992 MPP somewhere I lawyer for.
Hey, Alaska the Dawn. As same way we are bossy.
John Dramani Mahama. Ani Ninkurafo atinase. Na bra Facebook because we ya mama Ghana for nyina ehuni yako. John Mahama adi asobo fam. Sa or chef free SHS na asina obesi e-blocks. Na wonsi dan ya wuse mi kware.
Hey, Alaska the Dawn. As same way we are bossy.
Na woni Volanda ya yang enui ana.
Hey, Alaska the Dawn. As same way we are bossy.
John Dramani Mahama etumi my episode Facebook. Ebe John Mahama akọ achim aya nyanoa. Enu so sajumedie no ade asobọ fama. Yes sir, aya daisie na say na yesi aya video no lie. Enti when we nyina ye bisa wo say can the MPP have that audacity to campaign with free SHS? Nah.
My Minister of Education was given a job to produce a roadmap for the progressive introduction of free SHS. She has done that job. She has costed it. We don't know how much it's going to cost. And she has presented it to Cabinet. It is my duty as the President of the Republic of Ghana to make the funds available for the free SHS to take off. And I want to inform those who want to know where the money is coming from that they should wait for the presentation of the 2015 budget. If they look in the budget and they don't find allocation for free SHS, then they can raise that issue.
Hey, Alaska the Dawn. Oh, fearless, Papa.
And when Akana said they should wait for the 2015 year budget.
Hey, Alaska the Dawn. As same way we are bossy.
The 2015 year media budget. No more just say. Hifa Nasikano Ebefi Abba. So on the 15th September 2015, John Dramani Mahama Ayas Adiewe Awo Etuem in the central region.
Ladies and gentlemen, I now have the singular honor of declaring the progressively free senior high school program duly launched. Nanano, I believe that this intervention will bring significant relief to parents and households. Beginning this academic year, we are removing fees for all day students attending public senior high school. Under the progressively free secondary education program, government intends to make going to secondary school free through a progressive absorption of the costs that are currently borne by students and their parents. We will eventually get to the stage where every senior high school student will have the opportunity to go to school free.
Hey, Alaska the Dawn. Oh, fearless, Papa.
So first, you can't tell and say you buy Yamboro. After World Bank, I can't tell and say, Amaya Yatu Yawabedo World Bank, no IMF, no. Or my Ghana, under another Kwaku Annan, Abo Busia de Kate Amabia, ever since ya formu IMF.
As same way we are bossy.
And the IMF and the John Dramani Mahama. So we are Ghana di say you see ya chicha the ma 30 million population now. Obia di ka 4,500, which is 45 million old currency. And the SN is a yaya janka the near boka chain obia near bobusache obia no. Obia wa Ghana adika 20,000 Ghana cedis.
Hey, Alaska the Dawn. As same way we are bossy.
After you see ya the free SHS one no more buy me the answer at the amount said John Dramani Mahama chere budgetary allocation said they should wait for 2015 media budget review. Now how number just yebe to me at the way about and answer yemfa Emma.
Hey, Alaska the Dawn. As same way we are bossy.
Enti ana awie katiro bisa Ghana akasa Alaska the Dawn. What now bria nanado dankwaku and answer John Dramani Mahama akwa lanche free SHS. It was on the 17th September 2015. Our OTM. I want to move call at Amus community day school. Satan nanado awaifa.
Yo, waiting for waiting and summer year centrally at the Atugaye IMF reporter at Ghana. Yeni ya Bobisia pa. Sabisi we na yomudia the days is coming. I don't know centrally edited because using so and now no. So we now subscribe ya message over subscribe na like it. Now I watch the video ama offer so any na wahe. Also wait me actually wagen Afriyie so we now comment boxing. In my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.